Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best rotary tattoo machine review in 2023. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Arena Hawk WJX Rotary Tattoo Machine. The WJX Rotary Tattoo Machine frame made aviation aluminum alloy, weight 180 gram, stock 4 mm, grip 32 mm. It can fit to permanent makeup needles, suitable for eyebrows. Also for body tattoo design. This machine has custom Maxon motor 12V 10,400 RPM that needs startup power supply work, strong power, light sound, suit for precise line work, black and gray shading, solid color packing. Gives a possibility to pack faster, more quality, and less trauma. Perfect tool for tattoo artists. This rotary tattoo pen advanced gear system that smooth, soft, and quiet operation. Ideal healing results, flexible and lightweight for every style, gently and smoothly transfers ink to skin, suitable for all skin types. Number 4. Biomazer Rotary Tattoo Machine. The Biomazer Rotary Tattoo Machine aviation aluminum alloy, weight 140 gram, stock 3 mm. The rotary tattoo machine provides strong quiet motor supply 8V 8000 RPM, a powerful motor, and an advanced gear system make it continuous operation. Ergonomic pen handle is comfortable to grip, help you control machine pen in high puncturing power and frequency. This rotary tattoo machine using the most advanced production technology, powerful motor, and advanced gear system to ensure that this pen works stably and lastingly during use. Even if it is used for a long time, there is no heat and noise generation. Complete pen is an excellent choice to accompany your creation. This power supply with clip wire and pedal, LCD display, standard voltage setting, precise voltage regulation, stable power output. Power supply is convenient for you to easily switch between drawing lines and shading when tattooing. The power supply is very light and portable. You can even complete creation anywhere with a set. Number 3. Ambition Rotary Tattoo Machine. The Ambition Rotary Tattoo Machine frame made aluminum alloy, weight 110 gram, by Precision CNC technology, easy to disassemble, easy to maintain and replace. The rotary tattoo machine provide high quality powerful motor 8V 9000 RPM. It has a cool shape, runs great, and feels very comfortable in your hand. With strong power, super stable, pretty quiet, low noise, it is quite easy to master. The rotary tattoo machine cartridges needles, excellent performance, increase the amount of ink storage, ink absorption speed, each hit smooth operation, to help you complete beautiful tattoos. This tattoo power supply provide quick and accurate activation voltage adjustments, improve your machine reliability and efficiency with smooth consistent power output. Number 2. Dragonhawk WQ0902 Rotary Tattoo Machine. The rotary tattoo machine frame made aluminum alloy, weight 310 gram, stroke 3 mm. This rotary tattoo machine provide high quality powerful motor, 8V 8000 RPM, continuous operation, low noise, long lasting stability, lightweight, unibody. It has main supplies to start your tattoo work. The tattoo pen has 3 mm stroke length, that better for starter get easy tattoo lining and shading, permanent makeup work. This tattoo pen is designed to give you the closest feel to an actual pen that you can get with a tattoo machine. You can use this pen to do tattooing, permanent eyebrows makeup, lip line, eyeline. Number 1. Masqué 2 Rotary Tattoo Machine. The Masqué 2 Rotary Tattoo Machine made of space aluminum frame, weight 142.4 gram, stroke 3.5 mm. It can fit to permanent makeup needles, suitable for eyebrows, also for body tattoo design. This machine features a powerful custom mast motor 9V 10,000 RPM and an advanced gear system that guarantees reliable, quiet operation without any vibration. The masked rotary tattoo pen, allowing a tailored tattooing experience to accomplish a wide variety of styles and techniques. Well-rounded rotary tattoo machine designed for utmost accuracy and control.